Is that yummy, Palmetto? Is that yummy? Okay, slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Go ahead, swallow what you got in your mouth.
What are you doing, Casey?
Slow.
What's going on here? Let me at him.
Slow.
You know, that's what I kept doing, but she kept like trying to get back to the food.
Slow.
Shush.
You know, Bill moved somebody into Laurel Woods.
Hold on. What a good girl. What a good girl. Casey.
Say hi to camera.
No, Casey, that's not for you.
She's like,
Slow.
Look at her mouth.
Okay, slow. Come on. It's not your last meal. Palmetto. Yeah, so you can get her.
She looks like right at the camera.
You're so cute. You're just so cute. Okay, I think you're getting full now. Why don't you?
She's gonna burp.
Yeah, you got a little burpee in there, I'm sure. Come on. Where's your burp? Where's the burp? There you go.
It's like a...
So this is that? This down.